Hey friends, it's Poonam. Welcome back to my channel and you're watching me on Gista English. Well, friends, today's video is again on the pronunciation of common English words. Hope you have seen my previous video and I want you guys to watch this full video, okay? So let's start it. This is something which is girl's best friend. Jewelry. No, this is not jewelry. This has to be pronounced as jewelry. 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 No, jewelry. Yes. I have collected so many jewelries. I'm not so fond of jewelries. So this is how you have to pronounce this word. Jewelry. Yes. Next word is which half of the people pronounce wrong. Entrepreneur. I know you will be saying that this is the correct pronunciation, but no, you're wrong. This is a wrong pronunciation. You have to pronounce this word as entrepreneur. It's not entrepreneur, entrepreneur. Entrepreneur. Yes, you need to work hard to be a successful entrepreneur. So from today onwards, you have to start speaking this word as entrepreneur. Practice, okay? Yes, good. Next word है, बहुत commonly mistakes करते हैं लोग इस word को pronounce करने के लिए. फरवरी. फरवरी नहीं होता है. You have to pronounce this word as February. February. My best friend's birthday comes in the February. Yes, February, not February. February. How to pronounce this word? Accessory. No, that's wrong. You have to pronounce this word as accessory. Accessory. Repeat. Accessory. I have all accessories available for this dress. Yes, this is to be pronounced as accessory. Next word is, it's an university. Oxford. No, it's not Oxford. It is to be pronounced as Oxford. Oxford. The Oxford University is one of the biggest university. Yes, Oxford. Next word is, it's an oil. Kerosene. No, that's wrong. It's kerosene. Kerosene. This is not kerosene. This is kerosene. Kerosene is the main fuel in the villages for cooking. So how you guys have to pronounce? Kerosene. Yes. Next word is, it's an ocean. Antarctic. No. This is Antarctic. Antarctic. Yes, Antarctic. Next word is something very common and everyone loves to do that. Photo. Khich meri photo. Yes, photography. Nahi, this is not photography. This is photography. Photography. You have to focus on the second syllable. Photography. My brother loves doing photography. Yes, this is not photography. This is photography. Next word is also a very commonly mispronounced word on this earth, on this planet. Restaurant. No, this is not restaurant. This is to be pronounced as restaurant. Restaurant. You need a license to open a restaurant. So how you have to pronounce? Restaurant, not restaurant. This is restaurant. Yes. etc, etc. No, you guys have been doing this huge mistake since your childhood. This is not etc. This is etc. Etc. You have to focus on the second syllable. Say, etc. So start pronouncing this word as etc. etc. No. etc. Yes. Friends, next word hai. I know you guys will not trust me that I am speaking the correct pronunciation of that word because no one knows it. Tuition. This is not tuition, guys. This is tuition. The correct pronunciation of this word is tuition. I have to go to tuition. प्लीज ट्रस्ट मी, मुझ पे बिलीव रखना, इस वर्ड को ट्यूशन बोलना, ट्यूशन नहीं. आई नो इट्स वेरी टफ, इट्स वेरी हार्ड टू प्रोनाउंस दिस वर्ड एज ट्यूशन. आप कई फ्रेंड्स के सामने बोलोगे ट्यूशन जाना है तो सामने वाला आपको एक थप्पड़ मारेगा, क्या बोल रहे तू. बट ट्रस्ट मी, दिस इज द करेक्ट प्रोनाउंसिएशन, ट्यूशन. इट साउंड्स वियर्ड बट दैट इज करेक्ट. ओके, सो यू हैव टू प्रोनाउंस दिस वर्ड एज ट्यूशन, नॉट ट्यूशन. दिस इज ट्यूशन. यस फ्रेंड्स, हमारा नेक्स्ट वर्ड है अप्रैल फूल बनाया. बट दैट इज नॉट अप्रैल. अप्रैल एक्चुअली में आपको फूल बनाता आ रहा है इतने महीनों से, इतने सालों से. इसे अप्रैल नहीं बोलते, इसे बोलते हैं अप्रैल. अप्रैल. I have a very important seminar in this coming April. So the correct pronunciation is April. Yes. Friends, it's a request. You have to keep practicing these words again and again. Then only you will improve the pronunciation of these words. Means you'll correct the pronunciation of these words. Without that, it's not possible. You have to work hard. You have to practice a lot. Trust me. Okay. हमारा next word है, this is an disease. Very common disease actually. Asthma. That was a wrong pronunciation. The correct pronunciation of this word is asthma. Asthma. Asthma is wrong. You have to pronounce this word as asthma. People with asthma have difficulties in breathing. So the correct pronunciation is asthma. Yes. Next word है, जो लोगों को पता है प्रोनाउंस कैसे करते हैं बट उन्हें पता नहीं इसकी स्पेलिंग क्या है. स्पेलिंग देखकर ही घबरा जाते हैं एक्चुअली कि इसकी स्पेलिंग ये है, चाउस. आई नो फ्रेंड्स, I told you English is a crazy language. So this is not chaos, this is chaos. आप ये वर्ड बहुत सुनते होगे. प्लीज डोंट क्रिएट दिस chaos out here. मतलब भीड़ इकट्ठा करना, तो उसे बोलते chaos बनाना. तो this is not chaos, this is chaos. You have to pronounce this word as chaos, which everyone knows, but you should know the spelling of this word, chaos. This is how this spells. Chaos, but pronunciation is chaos. Next word is subtle. I know the spelling is different. Here B has to be silent. You have to pronounce this word as subtle, not subtle. Subtle is the correct pronunciation. Okay? Like the color of this wall is so subtle. आप काफी यूज भी करते होगे इस वर्ड को, subtle. Friends, hope today's video is going to be very helpful for you all. So to get such more interesting videos, please don't forget to subscribe my channel and do click the red bell icon if you want all the notifications the time I upload my new videos. Okay? Guys, I'm really glad that you people are supporting me so much. I can't even explain it in my words actually. But I'm so happy to see that you people are supporting me so much. You're helping me so much. and you are giving the positive response to me. I really appreciate it. Trust me, this is a great source of motivation for me. So, guys, please keep motivating me, keep supporting me, and don't forget to watch Gista English.